Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll take you into my world of home gardening. It is very easy to hire a gardener, but I prefer doing everything with my own hands. Though not an expert in gardening, but I have learned over the years seeing people and learning and reading about it, and today, little by little, I have been able to take care of my plants. Today I've ordered from Amazon a purple rose, a white hibiscus, pink lily, and an orchid, a dendrobium orchid. Now I've taken the pots and I've made holes in them so that the extra water drains out. Then I will put some pebbles, stones, or small pieces of bricks in the pots, ensuring that the holes do not get covered by the stones. Now soil is taken. This soil I have bought from Amazon, which is already ready for home gardening. It is very fertile. Along with that, I have also mixed little dried cow dung. I'll now fill half of the pot with this soil, and then I'll take the plant, ensuring that the roots are intact, and then I'll place it at the center of the pot. While taking out the plant from the packet, you should be very careful that you are not cutting off any of the roots of the plant because they are very delicate. After placing the plant at the center of the pot, I'll now put some more soil so that the root of the plant is under the soil. I will keep filling the pot with more soil, leaving little space from the brim so that when you water the plant, the water or the soil does not spill outside the pot. Now just press lightly with your hands on the surface of the soil so that the plant gets fixed properly. Now this is an additional thing. I had some vines or small climbers, with me, so I thought of decorating the pot. So I'm just placing them on the surface of the soil, and later on when they'll grow, it'll look very nice. No matter how busy I am throughout the day, I will find some time to come and sit with my plants, talk to them, water them, tend them, and be with them because it gives me tremendous happiness. Moreover, gardening boosts mental well being, reduces stress, clears the brain fog, and definitely gives mental peace. Now I'll take my rose plant. This plant is not that fresh, but nevertheless, let me plant it and see. Hope it survives. The plants will not be placed under direct sunlight for a day or two, but after that they'll be placed in a place where they'll get good amount of sunlight, as all of them will need proper sunlight to grow. At least once a month you can add some fertilizer to the soil which is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Along with that, you can also mix some neem oil with little water and spray the leaves of the plants every 15 days. This will keep the bugs away. Now potting is complete. Now the most important thing is to water these plants and put them in a shady place and give them rest so that they get time to get used to their new environment. This is my way of taking care of my plants, whom I consider as my babies, and they respond to the love which I shower on them. Thank you so much for being a part of my garden. Take care.